Well guys, I actually managed to tension the spokes up, and it does fit. I trued all the wheel as well, so that's all true. It's moving about a little bit because the tyre's got a slight imperfection in it. As you can see, it's just jumping slightly, but that's the tyre, that's not the rim. Because yeah, I've trued in all the rim and everything seems to be working. The tension's a bit better on the spokes, I must admit. It's a lot tighter. As you can see, there's a little bit of play in them. Still a little bit loose, but now okay, it's all fitted into the forks. Right, as you can see looking down there, that's off centre. Now if I'm right in saying this, if I leave these spokes this side, but I've got shorter spokes on order, I think if I put the shorter spokes on this side, so the disc brake side, it should, when I tension everything, it should shift that wheel over and bring it central. That's the only thing, it's just slightly off centre. Well, I'd say that's actually a lot off centre, but let's try and get you a view. Alright, so that's kind of looking in the middle of the wheel. It's funny because if I look at different angles, it makes it looks worse. I'm trying to hold the camera square to the. Oh, there you go. See what I mean? It's slightly off centre. I know why. It's because of the disc brake, and it's a boost hub. So I think what I've got to do, I'm pretty sure if I put shorter spokes this side and then leave the longer ones that side, it should shift the wheel. Might have a look at some more videos online and see how you change the centre line on it. No, because I went round and tensioned all the spokes individually, one at a time, all the way round the wheel. So I don't think it's that. I'll have to have a look online and see and get it. It needs that shifting over. Yeah, because you've got quite a dish that side, but this side it's actually quite straight. It might even be that. But yeah, I'm pretty certain. Shorter spokes that side, longer spokes this side. It means I'll have to re-true all the wheel and everything, but I'd rather get it right than have it like that, because I think that's gonna screw the riding. I think you're gonna crab a little bit. But anyway guys, hopefully when the spokes turn up, we'll have another update. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe and enjoy riding.